you very much for joining me in our second video. We will be installing a couple more packages, but before we do that, we will run our first server. So let's go to happyjs.com. Go down to over here where it says create an index.file, but we already have that. Let's go to ls. We still haven't created our index file. Okay. So if you're on a Mac, this will be very easy. Just type in index.js. And what I'm going to do is I have Atom, which is Atom.io. I think this is the website. It's a text editor that's made by GitHub. It's really, really cool. Anyway, I'll do atom.index.js. What this will do is it'll open a new file. Okay, and so now I'll go var happy equals require happy. So what this will do is it's requiring our module happy. Var server equals new happy, create server. Do I have that right? No, it's new happy server, sorry. So server connection takes an object. It's a function that takes an object. Host is our local host. Port is 8000. Yeah, we don't really need anything else, to be honest. Server starts, and that's really it. Run. So if I just type in node index.js, so what node does is this command node, it'll run whatever is inside index.js. So I ran node right there. So let's just go here, localhost 8000. So it says status code 404 not found, which is good because that means our server is running. So now let's add a route. So server route, if I remember this correctly, it's method get path that handler is okay. So our method is a get method. So we're just giving the client whatever whenever the request is just our home page. We'll run this handler function. And this handler function takes in two parameters, request and reply. And what we will do is reply, hello there, the happy face. Okay, so let's go back into here. Close this by pressing Control Option C, node index.js. So let's refresh this. Now, there, we have hello there. So let's try another type of route. So let's try server route method get path name handler is function request reply hello plus request params name. So what request params names does is this is the parameter and this is our key name, and whatever we put into here like slash Bashir or whatever, it'll say hello Bashir. So that's the plan. Let's just close this and say node index. This can get pretty annoying, just closing and restarting the server all the time. So what we'll do is we'll install another package later on called node.js. But for now, let's just run this. So let's check our regular route. Okay, that works. Now slash Bashir. Now it says hello Bashir. Okay. So another thing that I'd like to do is, as you can see, like once the server starts, Like there's no information indicating that the server started. There's no information regarding whether this was a get post or there's no reporting. So what we'll do is we'll install a reporter. So go back to Hapi and click on read more about Hapi and getting started. Scroll down until you get to over here that installing plugins and routers. So let's just make sure we're in our root directory. Our package file is right there. Sudo npm install good save. Npm install good console save. Okay, clear this. Let's go to cat package.json. Okay, so now our dependencies are good console, and happy. Okay, that's good. So let's just read the documentation on how to install good. So what we first need to do is we need to require good. So var good equals require good. Now what we need to do is just copy and paste everything from here to here. It's just boilerplate code. We won't be copying and pasting much in this course, but this is one of the few times that we will. So what this does is server register is another method that takes an object, and this object is, we're registering our registrar, which is good. This is our reporters. In our options, we're using good console, and once all of that happens, we're starting the server, and it's going to print out, the server started at, this URL, etc. So let's just go back, type in node index.js. Okay, as you can see, so it's giving us information now. It's saying that your server is running on localhost 8000. Let's just copy that. Go here. Okay, as we can see, everything's working as normal. And let's just go back here. It says, our response was, we already gave a response, and it was a get. That's what we responded. So let's make another request. This is our request, and our response was this. It was another get. That's our response, and that's our reply. Okay, cool. So what we'll do is we'll install another package called, let's go to npm. Oops. Sorry about that. npmjs.com. And we'll install another package called nodemon. And just copy this, npm install g nodemon. And what the G means is it's a global package. That means you're able to access this package globally. Okay. So sudo npm so this might take a while. I'm not 100% sure. All this depends on your internet speed. Okay, everything's installed. Let's just press Command K to clear this out. Now nodemon index.js. Okay, so this is the message. It's saying restart anytime, enter rs. Okay, it's watching this folder. Everything inside this folder, starting node.index. Okay, so every time we change this, okay, so let me just show you. Let's just clear this out. Command S to save this file. It ran again. Okay, so let's just, hello. Yeah, okay, let's just add another route. Server route, we'll use this later. Method get path API query handler function reply this with, hey, you searched for request params query. Okay, let's just save that. We won't do anything over here. We'll go back into here, type in API, Brazil. You search for Brazil. Okay. So over here, as you can see, it says restarting Node 2 to changes and running server at localhost over here. And yeah, that's our response. So everything is working properly. I'm going to end this video for now, and the next video what we will do is we will install Flickr and go through how to set up a Flickr API account. Thank you very much for watching.